I just wanted to go over the pros and cons if you guys are copy trading with prop firm accounts. So just like anything, trading is putting your money at risk, but sometimes you can mitigate that risk when you guys are copy trading. So if you don't know what that is, if you are using prop firm, doesn't matter which one, whether it's Apex, TopStep, Tradeify, My Funded Futures, any of those, you can go ahead and purchase one account, buy another one, and then you can sync those together. So I'm going to show you guys some examples that I'm personally using with Tradeify. I'm copy trading 500K accounts, kind of my results from those and things that I have seen while copy trading that I want to do better, or things that I've already done good at, and I just kind of want to highlight for people who are copy trading with prop firms. It is pretty easy to set up, so if you haven't synced those accounts together, I'm going to show you an example on Tradeivate because that's what I'm using right now. There is a new update though that Tradeify just partnered with TopStep X, so I believe if you purchase new accounts coming next week, you'll be able to use TopStep X if you prefer that trading platform. But pretty easy. All you got to do is click on your accounts here on the top, and then you're going to go ahead and hit manage groups. You can go ahead and title this, let's just say profit is what we want to title it, and you go ahead and hit OK, and then you go ahead and select which accounts you want to bring over, and then just make sure that this quantity right here is 1. So I got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. I'll go ahead and hit save. It says account group successfully saved. Perfect. And then I'll exit out. So when you want to do this, you got to make sure that you click on the group, and then you have to select one account that is in that group. So once you go ahead and select that, it will go ahead and sync those together. So something I want to point out as well is you have to change this quantity over here, not to 1, but to 5. So since I'm copy trading 5 accounts, I have to put in 5 different orders for it to sync across all of those. And when I enter a trade, it will be able to go ahead and do that. So there was some choppiness kind of at the end of today. I did end up trading just at the end. I did not trade at all in the morning. I usually do like 2 or 3 contracts, so as you guys can see, I was kind of in and out really fast, but I did make a couple $100 on the day, and then when you multiply it across 5 accounts, it turns into a pretty good winning day. So this is my journal from Tradeify. I do like how they can keep track of all of your trades and your win-loss rate. So we're up over $7,000 across all of these accounts. And when it comes to copy trading, I think the small base hits really do start to stack up, and then one bad day can erase a whole entire week's worth of profit. So as you guys can see, there's only been one red day, and it was a massive fat red day. It sucked. I hit the maximum daily loss, which is like $2,500 per account. So luckily it saved it. I didn't blow them and have to restart, but it really does suck just kind of having consistent, $500, $600 days, and then poof, one day it just blows it out. And I only took 2 trades. So this is by 5, so there are 5 accounts. So when it says 10 trades, it's divided by 5, so it was only 2 trades, but pretty bad. Just volatility and news I wasn't expecting, but we came back, right? So as these kind of start to stack up on one another, I'm going to go to my trading settings and put in a daily loss of $500, because that's kind of what I'm shooting for with these accounts. It's about $2,500 a day, and if I'm going to be profitable in the long run with about a 70% win rate is what I usually shoot for, my losses can't be bigger than my wins, right? So on my Tradeivate settings, I went in there and locked my daily loss limit. So if it hits $500, it locks me out for the rest of the day, and then I know with my trading abilities and strategy, I can make that and more on good winning days. So if you guys are not copy trading and using prop firms, I highly recommend it. If you are new and haven't even gotten a payout or can only manage maybe 1 or 2 payouts, I don't recommend copy trading because the evaluation accounts add up. So these are about $200 or so times 5, so it's $1,000 to get these accounts. And if you are in the evaluation phase and you blow 1 or 2 or 3, you know, that's $2,000-$3,000 that just went out the window. But the risk to reward is pretty good with these. You're allowed to take out $2,000 per account. So I'm going to be requesting a $10,000 payout hopefully next week. I don't want to rush it this week, but it looks like we're doing a lot better as September kind of rolls around, almost halfway through the month. Next week will be interesting as Jerome Powell is going to be speaking, right? Whether they're going to be dropping rates or not. So it'll be interesting to see how the stock market reacts. And if you guys got any questions or need any help with your trading or want to know more about copy trading, just let me know. And like and subscribe to help support the channel. Thanks, guys.